Authentic flirting, a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Compliment genuinely. Recognize her unique qualities and offer genuine compliments. It's important that the compliment comes from a place of sincerity and doesn't feel forced. Authentic admiration can be a powerful tool for connection. Step 2. Use humor. Sharing a good laugh can diffuse tension and foster a lighthearted environment. It also showcases your fun side and makes interactions memorable. Step 3. Tease playfully. Engage in playful banter without crossing boundaries. Ensure the teasing remains fun and does not come off as mean or derogatory. Step 4. Engaging conversations. Initiate deep and meaningful conversations. Avoid surface-level chat and delve into topics that both of you find engaging. Such interactions can build trust and emotional intimacy. Step 5. Body language. Display open and inviting body language. A confident posture, maintaining eye contact, and mirroring her gestures can signal your genuine interest. Step 6. Keep texts interesting. In today's digital age, texting plays a pivotal role. Sprinkle your conversations with wit, charm, and a dash of flirtatiousness to keep her engaged and looking forward to your messages. Step 7. Explore nature together. Nature has a way of bringing out authentic conversations. A serene hike or an early morning bird-watching session can be both romantic and revealing. Step 8. Cook for her. Even if you're not a chef, making a simple dish for her can impress. It's the effort and thought that counts more than the actual dish. Step 9. Be respectful. Ensuring that your interactions are rooted in respect is crucial. Consent, mutual understanding, and recognizing boundaries are the foundation of any meaningful connection. Successful flirting hinges on genuine connection and respect. Whether through humor, body language, or meaningful conversations, authenticity is key. At its essence, forming a bond is about mutual appreciation and ensuring interactions are consensual and enjoyable for both parties.